everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today we're cooking, honey, what's for dinner? We're going to have this cream of mushroom pork chop casserole. Very easy to make for those housewives that are working. Say we have here pork chop. This is a quick and easy dinner to make, and my husband loves it, so you could try and see if your family likes it too. Okay, first what we're going to do is we're going to season this pork chop. Just sprinkle salt and pepper. What we do first is we brown this pork chop in the skillet. We brown them for like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, like 5 in its side, and then we'll put them in the oven for an hour and a half. Okay, just rub that seasoning in the meat there. And then let's turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. I'm excited for dinner. I'm kind of hungry. I don't think we even have lunch, did we? No, we didn't have lunch, so we had a good breakfast at the cabin with my daughter, and we came home and we forgot about lunch, so we're just going to have an early dinner tonight. Okay, and as usual in all my cooking, instead of MSG, I use this mushroom seasoning. Okay, now we're ready to fry them. Okay, we already got our griddle heated up and our oil. Now we're going to fry our pork chop. As I said, we'll just do this real quick. You just need to brown it a little bit. Let's see here. Yeah, and then turn on the other side. You don't have to cook it because we're still going to bake this after we brown it. Well, I think we got it brown enough, and you put it in a pan. I'm gonna put 1 cup of milk, and then we have the condensed. Make sure you get the condensed cream of mushroom, because there's a regular cream of mushroom and there's the condensed cream of mushroom, so make sure you get the condensed one. And then you 2 cans of the 10-ounce cream of mushroom, and let's stir that in there, mix that. Green beans, and you just put the green beans in there. Okay, and then we'll put it in the oven for an hour. Okay, now we'll check, and we are going to put the onions on top. Okay. Okay, there's our finished product. It was very easy to prepare and ready to go for dinner. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.